bewildering the locals. Billions crowd the reefs. They try to reach dry land in whatever way they can. Now they shed their shells, changing their wet suits for something in which it's easier to breathe. But before they've even left the beach, they are attacked by someone unexpected. Mother? Clearly, adult red crabs are not very child-friendly. Time to leave the beach, and quickly. Once at the top, they must creep through the town. But it's hard to keep a low profile when you're part of an army of several billion. The forest edge. Safety is in sight. But it's too soon to relax. Yellow crazy ants which eat crablets. Those that make it through are home for Christmas.